Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're checking the sky to make sure there's no aircraft. We have a FAA waiver to launch rockets, but that's only if there's no airplanes in the sky. The sky looks clear. The range is clear. Ready to launch? We're launching this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very nice.
Keep your eye on it.
Flight, arcing over, looking for an event. We have an event. The chute is out.
Keep your eye on it.
Looks tango coming down. Okay,
Uh-oh, looks like it got tangled up on itself.
This isn't the first time you launched, is it?
No. Oh, wait, this one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I give you a little suggestion?
Yeah.
This right here, this is like really long. And you know that the parachute could still be in there. So I would suggest that you move the parachute tight closer to the nose cone, so that when the parachute is totally clear of this, when it kind of pulls out.
Yeah, 1/3, 2/3, right?
Yeah, usually like 1/3 and then 2/3 of the line here. Also, see this right here? Where this meets the edge of your tube, if the parachute pops open quickly, sometimes what this will do when the parachute opens and it pulls back this way, it can cut the tube. It's called a zipper. So like if you take some tape, like some masking tape or duct tape, and put it right there, so that when it comes over, it's actually a wider thing that comes over and won't cut your tube. So those are a couple of suggestions that I would do. So I'm going to look to see if your egg is like broken.
Okay.
Oh, these are eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it 2 eggs this year?
Scrambled eggs.
Is it 2 eggs this year?
Yeah. 2 eggs.
2 eggs this year.
They're not frozen. But we're gonna keep them safe, just so we don't have to take it again.
Oh wait, did it survive?
Cool, awesome. Even with the hard impact like that.
Yeah.
So we are launching that big? Very close, yeah.
Second one like
Bigger
that.
than that?
No, close to that. Not this one, but we are still gonna like this. So this thing should be 2/3, and then the one with the top should be 1/3.
Yeah.
So this one, it ends up here. So should we get new string?
So that when that comes over like that, it's distributed over a wider area, and it's not like the cut on it. Okay. Okay, I see how you got this. You got a short piece here, and then a second piece to the rocket. Okay. Yeah, they both look like they're about the same length. Yeah, we're going to move this further up. Well, actually, I would suggest that you do, rather than me do it for you. So that this right here, the parachute has to come out, has to pull out. And then your nose cone will be tied onto that one. Can I ask you to fold your parachute? I want to see how you guys are folding your parachute. Okay, well, keep going. Like, show me how you're going to do the whole thing. Yeah. Okay, this might be one of the things with the tangles and stuff like that. This is what I would suggest, and it's up to you if you want to do. Okay, just like you folded it, like that. And then on my rockets, what I'll do
It's always my bad.
is I'll take the lines and I'll put the lines like this.
I think I was supposed to do it, if you take it like this, but I haven't watched it yet.
Okay, yeah. Okay, and keep going. Let me see how you do all of that now. Okay, so let's see how this is going to play. Okay, when it blows out, oh, okay, yeah, we'll go ahead and stick that in there with the lines. Okay, hold it down by the floor. Okay, and then the nose cone blows out, parachute comes out. You like that? All right. That's if you want to do it this way. You don't have to do it this way. You could, do it however you want to do it.
But it works. We'll see about that.
Well, it got approved as a commercial at one point.
Well, Dave Griffith helped on it, so I have no doubts it will. But also, Martin Mason worked on it. And he has a history of exploding.
But this isn't sugar, though.
I haven't exploded a rocket since 1999.
Yeah, but Martin exploded one last year.
Well, those are sugar rockets,
That's
though.
a sugar rocket.
Still, the
Yes.
rocket's a rocket.
Yes, but I was the first one, I think, to explode a nitrous alcohol rocket years and years ago. 1996, I believe. Yeah, December. I haven't done this in about since 2010 at a Tribrid launch, but the new injector should increase performance from 150 ISP to hopefully like 220. So if it works, we're going really big.
2 1/4 off from the back side. Okay. Well, we also got to worry about bearing on that. Check and see if the little nipple on the top of that will fit in there for me.
Okay.
3,
89.9 degrees
2, 1.
at 220 degrees.
Or just
Okay.
that's good.
89.9 degrees.
I'm taking video.
Which way?
Nah,
That 1/10 of a degree.
everybody else does better video than I
It's
do.
gonna go wherever
I have
it
bad
wants.
luck with video on
And
my
if
rockets.
you have
I do excellent
that
video
1/10
on
degree
other
this way
people's
or
rockets.
this way, it's
My
not
rockets, I fail
making a
immediately.
You do what? Well, stay there.
Oh, okay.
Put your hand up there or something. Look down here.
How about this part right here?
Well,
no,
just
we won't.
sometimes.
Wait.
Wait.
There we go.
Okay, now you ready?
Down right.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. That looks good. All right. Okay, we're filling.
Can you hear the filling?
I can hear it.
You sure you guys hear it?
Yeah, there's definitely something happening.
Yeah, I hear it. Doing the cameras. That's Derek. He's got his camera pointed the wrong way, though, Derek.
What's our elapsed time, Ryan, from your video?
Almost a minute.
All right. How long do we want to fill for? What do you think, Dave?
You probably fill it.
Oh, I see vapor coming out of the hole.
Okay.
For sure.
For sure, vapor out of the hole.
Ready?
10 count.
Okay, we're filled.
Give us a 3 count.
We're firing this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, believe it or not, there's a flame. It's just hard to see.
It just didn't seem that there was no pressure. Because when that thing broke, it should have been flying out.
So,
oh, any thrust? I can go check that. Okay.
what was going on is the fuel tank is still full of alcohol. It was running in pure hybrid mode, and it was burning the ABS hybrid grain in the NOx. It didn't start burning when there was too much NOx in there because it was keeping things too cool to ignite. Once the density got low enough in the chamber, then it was able to light and burn in hybrid mode for about 2 seconds or so. But it was a really poor hybrid burn because we had almost no chamber pressure. We had about 20 pounds of thrust out of it. But again, it just never went into the bipropellant mode. Okay, so this didn't go through at all. It's still plugged. And this is where it's supposed to, there's a little weak spot right here. So we cut a 10th slit right here because it's supposed to break away right there, which exposes the tip of the injector, and we get fuel injecting. But it actually cut away down here, which meant the injector never opened up, no alcohol entered the chamber.
You ready to go?
Yep.
Okay, ground deployment test for NASA student launch small scale rocket competition. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that looked kind of good. Let's check to see what we got here. Okay, are you kind of happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, do you remember how everything was put together? Our certification slide. Ready for countdown?
All good. Where's this Rick?
Okay, we're doing this in 5.
And hold it when you're ready.
3,
Good to go.
2, 1. Okay, nice up. We're ready for deployment.
Come on. I believe. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful.
Okay, we have a deployment. So, welcome to high power rocketry.
Beautifully.
Get out your wallet. Start spending more money.
Like the sound of that.
Wait, you gotta show me the airframe.
Floating beautifully. Nice. Thanks so much.
Great job.
Yeah, good point, Ken. He has to show us his rocket.
That's true. Yeah, I gotta go grab that thing.
It has to be in flight condition.